Hey everybody, hope you're having a really good day today. I just want to take a few moments to talk about something that happened during this coronavirus pandemic. Did you know that billionaires increased their wealth by around 25%, according to a recent article? Now, to give you an idea of how much $1 billion is, if you were to give someone $1 every second, it would take roughly 11 and a half days to get them to $1 million. But it would take them around 31 years 11,000 days to get them to $1 billion. What happened to the man who tore down his barns to build bigger barns? Why is it then that so many people support a system that allow these multi-billionaires to get away with sitting on a pile of wealth that they can never even use, while millions of people have suffered loss, whether it be the loss of a loved one, whether it be the loss of a job, whether it be mental or physical pain during this coronavirus pandemic? We as Christians should stand up against this evil. The scripture says that the love of money is the root of all evil. Why is it then that we support a system that allows people who love money to get away with all of these atrocities? We have to stand up for what's right, regardless of what we're used to, regardless of how uncomfortable it might be, regardless of what type of negative attention we may receive. It's our job to stand up against evils in the world. And these people who love money and get away with all sorts of evil need to be stopped. They need to be called out. We need to demand a change, because there are women and children and men all over the country, all over the world, who are literally dying, who are starving, who are suffering in ways that many of us can't even imagine, while these people get away with increasing their wealth by 25%, while so many are struggling and suffering. Like this baby. This baby's struggling and suffering. He says, "Let me take a nap." We can't stand for it. All right, y'all have a great day. God bless.